in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nakatch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga po, sabuti pa sa ating mga kalaw, my forever, no? Now, sa mga single ladies out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Hindi, mga trainers. Joke lang, folks. Once again, guys, magpapakitang kilas pa ulit ang ating mga kalaw. Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. Once again, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they